In the heart of Central America, where volcanic soil breathes life into the earth, lies the soul of a legend, Camacho Nicaragua. This isn't just a cigar. It's a testament to the untamed spirit of a land renowned for its powerful and character-rich tobacco, born from the fiery essence of Nicaragua, yet crafted with the legendary expertise of Camacho in Honduras. This cigar is a bridge between two worlds of tobacco mastery. Our journey begins in the fertile fields of Nicaragua. Here, under the watchful eye of the sun, the tobacco leaves mature, absorbing the nutrients from the volcanic earth, developing the complex and bold flavors that are the hallmark of this region. Each leaf is a promise of intensity, a story of sun, soil, and rain, waiting to be told. The wrappers, sourced from Ecuador, are selected for their flawless texture and rich oily sheen, a perfect vessel to contain the robust spirit within. The real magic happens in the hands of the rollers at the Camacho factory in Honduras. These are not just workers. They are artisans, inheriting generations of knowledge. With practiced rhythmic movements, they bring the blend to life. The filler, a daring combination of Nicaraguan, Honduran, and Dominican tobaccos, is bunched with precision. The Honduran binder then secures this core of flavor before the final beautiful Ecuadorian wrapper is applied with surgical accuracy. It's a dance of hands and leaves, a symphony of craftsmanship where every step is critical. The Camacho Nicaragua is built for the bold. It's a statement piece. The band itself, a vibrant orange and black, screams defiance and strength. It's an invitation to live loud, to push boundaries. From the moment you light it, you understand the initial draw delivers a powerful blast of pepper and spice, a wake-up call for the senses. This isn't a shy cigar. It announces its presence immediately. But as the journey continues, that initial intensity mellows, revealing a complex tapestry of flavors. Notes of dark roast coffee and rich dark chocolate begin to emerge, weaving through the peppery spice. There's a subtle sweetness, a hint of dried fruit that balances the blend, creating a sophisticated and deeply satisfying profile. The construction is impeccable, ensuring a perfect draw and a razor-sharp burn line from start to finish. The ash holds firm, a testament to the quality of the tobacco and the skill of the roller. This is more than just smoking, it's an experience. It's the feeling of holding a masterpiece, a product of passion and a bold, unapologetic vision. The Camacho Nicaragua is for those moments when you want to break from the everyday, to celebrate a victory, or simply to connect with a force of nature. It's a tribute to the power of Nicaraguan tobacco and the unwavering spirit of Camacho, a bold, unforgettable adventure crafted for the true aficionado.